Hey guys, welcome to Tech in Motion, and this is Joel here. So today we're gonna see how to flash AOSP extended on Moto G3 2015. So let's go to settings, and in settings I'll go to about phone. In about phone you can see that this is Moto G3, and currently I have bootlegger's ROM installed. Now we'll go to Google Chrome. We have to search Moto G3 in XDA so we can find AOSP extended ROM in their website. So let's search for it. And here is the XDA forum for Moto G 2015 variant. My internet is kind of slow. So here is the forum. Then we'll go to Moto G 2015 Android development. And here we can find AOSP extended ROM version 5.5, the 10th May. This is the latest one that we have got. And here all the documentation is done, and here we can find the links for the ROM, and we can find the link for OpenGApps. So our device model is Osprey for Moto G 2015. Then I'll click there, then it redirects me to the AOSP extended page. There you can download the current version, the latest version, that is on 10th May. It is about 324 or 325 MB. So here you can see this is the latest version of AOSP extended for Osprey, and here you got the OpenGApps too. So I have already downloaded it, but I'll show you how to download it. So it will redirect to the download link, then it will automatically download. So I have downloaded it, so I'll just cancel it here. So let's go to home page, and now we'll use the power button, go to advanced, then reboot to recovery. So I have currently installed TWRP version, the latest version for Osprey, so it will reboot into the TWRP recovery. So this is the boot logo for Moto G 2015. If you have unlocked the bootloader, it will show you that a warning is there. So this is the latest one, version 3.2.1, and here you can see the UI for the TWRP. So the first procedure that we have to do is wipe and go to advanced wipe. There you have to select Dalvik, system, data and cache. So just cross check with that, then just slide or swipe to wipe. Then when it's done, just go back and go to install. So install, it will show you the storages also. This is the SD card storage that I have got here, and here is the downloaded package, and I can install it here. So you can see AOSP extended by I Shubham Singh. He is a developer for AOSP extended ROM for Osprey. So it's currently installing. It won't take that much time for installing the AOSP extended ROM. You have to follow all the procedures that I have mentioned, because if any procedure is wrong, then you might soft break or just break your phone. So you have to be careful with your phone. So here, the procedure is done, and we'll move on to install the OpenGApps. So before that we'll just wipe the cache and Dalvik. So it's done here. Then OpenGApps aroma package. And so the aroma package is the one in which it will you can install whatever G apps or whatever Google apps that you want to install on your phone. It's a 1.2 GB file that you can find on opengapps.org website. So you have to select the Android version 2, that is Android 8.1. Then I'll choose customize installation. Then I've already selected those because when I installed bootlegger's ROM, that was already installed, and the choices are selected, pre-selected. So these are the apps that I have ticked. You can choose your own apps that you want. Now I'll just go to the next page, and I just selected YouTube. Then next, then bypass the automatic removal of stock AOSP apps, that is not needed. Next, then choose apps which you want to remove. So next, then you have to enable Google Assistant if you want to use it in your Android version or AOSP extended. These are some of the advanced options. Then we'll press next, then next, then again next, then install G apps. So it will install the G apps. It might take few minutes. It will not take about maybe 15 minutes. So guys, the installation of OpenGApps Aroma package is done, so we'll press next. Then don't check reboot your device now, just uncheck it, then swipe to unlock, then just wipe cache and Dalvik. That's a smaller error, no need to worry about it. Then reboot to system. So here the AOSP extended ROM and your OpenGApps is installed, so no worries about it. And now it will reboot your system to the latest version of Android 8.1 AOSP extended ROM of 9th May. So guys, here is our AOSP extended ROM, the home page, and here we'll press start and it will show you the available networks. And here my Wi-Fi is GWC and I'll connect it. So my Wi-Fi is connected and it's checking for updates. It's just a priority based thing. So now it will ask you how to set up your phone. Just set up as a new phone, then just a second, checking info. It might lead to your Google account. You'll have to log into your Google account. So I'm just skipping this step. Skip. Then next. Then I usually uncheck all of these. And I agree, no thanks. Adding the finishing touches. This may take a minute or two. Okay, so it might lead us for the 1 minute. Yeah, so it has loaded up, guys, and here is the AOSP extended ROM, and here you can see that we have installed Android 8.1. oh sorry, yeah, so here we got the ROM properly installed with the Google apps that we have used, Aroma package, and I usually switch off the location. So here you can see the location thing uses a lot of battery. And yeah, so we'll go to the settings, then we'll go down, okay, oh sorry, down here, system, then AEX updates. So it's checking for updates, no updates because it's the latest one. And about phone, see, you can see Moto G3, then AEX Android 8.1. we have got version 5.5 for AEX. Here you can see the standard audio. We'll go back. Yeah, here you can see the extended version. The security patch is 5th of May 2018. And yeah, here is the dialer, the new update for Google Dialer. Then you can see the Messages app. Then yeah, we'll go to camera. So allow. Then I'll just uncheck it. Next. So here you can see the camera. It's a basic camera. It's just a little different from Moto camera that we used in stock Android. So I'll just click a picture with flash here. Yeah. So I'll just load up the image. You can see the clarity. So there's not much difference between the camera performance and on the software side, because hardware is always the same. And now I'll just switch off the flash here. Okay, now it's off. Then I'll take again one image, one photo. So here is the one without flash, and here you can see all the things, and the clarity is good here. And now we'll head back to the home page and delete all the apps. Yeah, so guys, that is all for Moto G3. Thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to subscribe and give the thumbs up for this video, and press on the bell icon to get daily updates from Tech in Motion. See you in the next video.